Hey everyone, this is our GE Monogram 48-inch built-in refrigerator. It came with this house when we bought it just a bit over a year ago. As you can see, it's got the panel kit on the doors and all that. It's got the equipment such as the compressor, the condenser, and all that kind of stuff up above here in this behind that decorative panel. And it is equipped with water service on the freezer door, like a lot of these side-by-sides. Despite this being a 25-year-old fridge, everything still works, including the handy little nightlight, which you can see here. And this dispenser does work as a dispenser as well. Shut the little light off here. You can easily use it to get chilled water. It comes from a little tank within the refrigerator compartment. And the ice dispenser works as well. Gives you crushed ice. Makes a bit of a grinding noise when you do it, but it does work. And you can also get cubed ice from here as well. Ice maker and all that work perfectly. Get that cup out of there. Take a look inside the box here. Now in the freezer, it stays pretty much right around 0 degrees. I think it's a slight bit above right now, but we've been opening and closing the door a few times, so that's to be expected. All of our frozen goods neatly stashed in there. And in the fresh food compartment here, it is a nice chilly 36 degrees. Lots of room in here for all of our stuff. This thing has a lot of crisper space in it. I push these doors shut pretty firmly. And that is a follow-up look at our old GE Monogram that's built into this house here. We will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. And thank you for watching, everyone. Later.